guys, I'm Ryan from YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna open Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse, Spider-Man-NOIR, I don't know, Web Burst Blaster, 2-in-1 shooter web or booster water. This is what it looks like. And here, if you don't know, Noir Spider-Man, I don't know. This is the face. This is Noir Spider-Man. I don't know how to say the name. It says that you can shoot webs, and then if the web is finished, you can shoot with water. Let's open it. This is the gun. The gun looks like this. And then I'm gonna take the web. So here's the gun. It has like a detail here, like my little spider symbol, and it has this thing where you put the water. It has like web, and here this one is the spider web, and we have the instruction manual and how you open these. You see this right hole, the big hole, and then you just press like that, and then you open like that, and when you put it, you just put like that. So this is the web fluid, and it says do not expose to heat. Before you use it, you must shake it first. So this is what it looks like, and it has Spider-Man, and here it says web fluid. Here it says Marvel Spider-Man. It's really cool. So I take this out and put the web fluid, and let's try it. So guys, I forgot to tell you, you cannot play this inside. You must play it outside, but I'm just gonna play like here and like that because it's raining outside. So let's try. Okay, 1, 2, 3, shoot! You see? Forgot to tell you guys, please do not eat this because it's like poison, even though it's like yummy, but you still cannot eat it. Now let's try the water one. I really like the web fluid, and this is the water version one. So let's shoot. It's like wet too. Shoot at the paper bag. Oh! Oh, look at that. It's really like slime. It's like slime. Don't eat it. Look. It's like slime. It's like I'm making a Colgate slime without borax. Do they make this out of slime? So I really like this toy, and I'm gonna play it again after this video, I think. And thank you, Auntie, Baby, and family. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And see you next time. Bye.